Maytag knows people can get a little handsy in the kitchen. That's why Maytag has fingerprint-resistant stainless steel. So when people get handsy, things don't get dirty. Now with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel.
Maytag Appliances, now available at more furniture in Ephrata.
Law enforcement across the state are stepping up seatbelt enforcement patrols starting Monday through June 3rd. The extra patrols run through Memorial Day weekend, one of the busiest travel weekends of the year. More than 150 law enforcement agencies throughout the state are participating in the annual Click It or Ticket campaign. According to a new report from the Washington Traffic Safety Commission, 95% of Washington drivers and passengers use their seatbelts. The report also shows Grant County is on par with the state with an observed seatbelt use rate of 94%. In conjunction with the annual campaign, a national seatbelt enforcement effort called Border to Border is taking place from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Monday, May 21st. The Central Basin Traffic Safety Task Force is once again participating in the May 21st event. Last year in Moses Lake, law enforcement made more than 100 traffic stops in just 3 hours along West Broadway Avenue. This is Joe Utter for iFiber One News.